Hello students and welcome to Skylark Lifestyle Hub. This is Vipin Sharma, your expert in aviation and tourism industry, and I'm here with yet another update on the jobs which are available for you to grab. So today I'm happy to share with you that Indigo Airline is now looking for airport operation and customer service staff. And to become eligible to apply for these jobs, you have to be firstly within 27 years of age. Secondly, you should be a graduate from a recognized board and university as determined by Indigo Airline. And if your results are awaited and your exams are pending, you are not eligible to apply for this job. Among the other desired skills, you should be very good in your communication skills. You should have the aptitude to handle the customer services and ready to work in rotational shifts and also ready to work under pressure. There should be no visible tattoos on your body. So students, as I mentioned earlier, for every job, you have to upskill yourself in your communication skills, your personality, and in this particular job for ground staff, you should be ready to work under pressure because the flights have to depart on time and it cannot be delayed. So that is why you should be ready to work under pressure. Now these jobs are available currently in Delhi, Shillong, Guwahati, Bhopal, Amritsar and Chennai. And if you want to apply for these jobs, of course, you should be first certified and have the required skills, for which of course we are giving training to our students. If you are part of our community, you will get all the details from us about how to apply in this job and how you can register yourself. So if you are not in our community, this is the time. Get trained, join one of our online courses and get trained and certified yourself to apply for these jobs. We want to see you in the classes soon. Till then, enjoy and all the best.